Sometimes joy doesn't disappear because life got harder. It disappears because something between us broke. A word left unsaid, a moment we avoided, distance we pretended was fine, and then after the text, after the apology, after the awkward honesty, a laugh comes back. Not loud, not dramatic, just lighter. That laugh is grace. Joy does not always return through rest or answers or time. Sometimes it comes back through courage. One honest sentence, one repair made, one, can we talk? And suddenly, you're laughing again. That's not accidental, that's healing, manifesting through sound.